you, it's Kyla Lou, and I am super excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 important things to pay attention to when choosing an affiliate program, especially as a beginner. And if you guys stay till the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite affiliate programs out there that hit all of these requirements. Now, I know there's a lot of videos out there giving you ideas on the best affiliate programs for beginners, but most of them are lying to you. Affiliate programs like Amazon, ClickBank, ShareSale. ShareSale isn't even an affiliate program. It's an affiliate marketing network, which basically is a huge database of a bunch of different affiliate programs. And most of these are actually not very beginner friendly. So instead of going and telling you guys what to do, I want to teach you guys what makes a good affiliate program so you can have the knowledge you need to succeed. Also, don't think I didn't notice how good your hair looks today. You look really put together and beautiful, and yes, to all my dudes who are watching this, I'm talking to you too. Okay, let's get into the video. The first component to look for when choosing an affiliate program is commission rates. We all want to make good money, right? An affiliate commission is essentially how much money you're making for every sale that you refer that is successful. Meaning someone clicks on your link, buys the product, and doesn't return it. How much you get paid as an affiliate depends on 2 things. 1, how much the product costs, and 2, what is the commission percentage. For example, if you sign up to be an affiliate for a product that costs $1,000, but you're only earning a 5% commission, you're only going to be earning $50 for every successful sale. But let's say you're promoting a product for $200 and the commission rate instead is 40%. Now you're earning $80 for every successful sale. I would definitely focus on finding affiliate programs that have high commission rates. And in my opinion, that's in that 40% or higher range. And when you pair that with high ticket products, now you're making a lot more money per sale. This is why programs like Amazon can be so difficult to start with, because the commission rate for most of the products on Amazon is between 2 to 10%. And most of the products that people would be buying off of Amazon really aren't that expensive. So really, for every successful sale, you're only making a couple dollars, if that. But we don't just want to look at the commission rate, because there are actually 3 other very, very important factors that we want to consider when choosing an affiliate program. Number 2 is multiple products. Now, what do I mean by that? I'm talking about looking for companies that have 5, 10, even 15 products in their queue, and those products have a price range from like $1 to even free to $50 to $200 to $1,000 plus. And you also want to check to make sure those companies are using sales funnels to promote those products. If you aren't familiar with what a sales funnel is where they have a low ticket item like a free training or a $2 ebook or something along those lines. And then the customer is then taken through a sales funnel process where they are then offered a $50 product, a $199 product, a $1,000 product, and maybe even a $6,000 product. And if they don't buy any of those, then they are then sent emails pushing them back to those products. So in a nutshell, you're basically looking for a company that has a bunch of different products, and all you need to do, especially as a brand new affiliate, is get people into the door by promoting those really cheap or even free offers, and then the company will take care of the rest by promoting those other products. And what's awesome is if people buy those other products down the line that the company promotes to them, you'll get a commission for that. Number 3 is a great sales process. A company's sales process can literally be the difference between sending an email out talking about a product and then forgetting about it and making $5,000 like this guy here.
I have some products that I'll send one email. Okay, I send off an email and then I forget about it. And I'll make $5,000 off that single email.
Or writing 5 to 6 emails, making a Facebook post, talking about a product on Instagram stories, and only making a couple $100s. It comes down to a company having a good funnel, a good system in place that runs smoothly. So you want to take a look at the earnings per click and do your research on how much the company is making or would make on average for every click you send their way. And you will see some companies average be $2 to $3 per click, but there's other companies out there where it's like $40 to $50 per click. And again, you just want to make sure that the product you're sending people to has a solid sales system in place. Wow, that is a tongue twister. A solid sales system. I'm glad I made it through that. And last but not least, you want to find affiliate programs that actually care about their affiliates. You can tell this by a couple of things: the affiliate software that they're using, what assets they offer you as an affiliate, if they have an affiliate manager, and if that affiliate manager is responsive. You really want to look for all of these things because there are a ton of companies out there that actually have affiliate programs, but some of them just don't care.
Well, I'm out, man.
You could spend all of this time and effort creating content or writing emails, and the link tracking is off, so you don't get credit for the sale. And when you try to get a hold of anyone, no one actually responds. And this is the type of situation that makes you want to throw your computer out the nearest window. Alright, so hopefully you guys aren't too sick of hearing me talk, and thank you so much for watching the video to this point. It really helps support me and my channel, and I appreciate you so much. But really quick, I wanted to share with you guys 3 programs that I absolutely love if you're looking for some recommendations that hit most, if not all, of these points. And the last one is my favorite, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. Now, the first program that I recommend is Fiverr, and what's awesome is I'm not just telling you what to go do and you're, joining blindly into these programs. You now know what makes a good affiliate program, so you can decide for yourself what is going to be the best fit for you and what you want to do as an affiliate. Fiverr actually has a really sound affiliate system, which is different from their referral program. Stay away from that because it kind of sucks. But their affiliate program is awesome, where they will pay up to like $200 a lead. And what's cool is on Fiverr, there's a lot of products on there for $1,000 or plus. And on those products, I think you can choose like if you want 10% recurring commissions off of those products, or if you just want like a $100 to $200 check right up front. So they do give you a lot of options. It's a really solid program that also sends out emails to their affiliates every single month with tips and prizes and updates. And what's cool is there's something on Fiverr for everyone to be able to promote. The second program I recommend is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has so many products, more products than I've seen a lot of affiliate programs have, so you have a ton of options. They have really high commission rates for their products, and their sales process is incredible. Their affiliate dashboard is a little clunky, so that is a downside, but I do think they are working on updating it. I can't remember, but you really can tell that they care about their affiliates. Now, ClickFunnels somewhat recently just adopted like a 3-tier system for their affiliates. So to be able to promote some of their products, you do need to be a platinum or tier 3 affiliate, but still just joining their program as a tier 1 affiliate, you have access to a lot of products that do very, very well. But I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew about that. Now, the third program that I recommend, I love this program. This program is incredible, and one that I wish I had started promoting right when I got started as an affiliate, and that program is Legendary Marketer. Now, I had heard people talking about Legendary Marketer here and there. You probably have heard about it if you've done any research, into affiliate marketing, but I actually didn't jump in and actually check it out until a couple months ago. And I went in really knowing nothing about them, and I was impressed. They have so much content around digital marketing, and they honestly check all of the boxes that we discussed in this video. They have an amazing affiliate dashboard with lots of resources for their affiliates. They have tons of products, again, with that price range of $1 to free, $2 to even products that are $6,000 to $8,000 that you can promote. And they've got a proven sales system that works. As an affiliate, you really can't ask for more. All the links to check those out will be down below, as well as a link to one-click import the exact funnel that has been used to generate up to $1,500 per day in affiliate commissions. All you do is add in your name and swap in your affiliate links, as well as a proven email follow-up sequence that you can literally copy and paste to help you increase conversions and earn more high-ticket affiliate commissions, and much, much more. So make sure to go check that out in the description. If you're a beginner affiliate who doesn't have a following, doesn't have a list, really not sure what program to promote, then I highly recommend taking advantage of this shortcut. So there you guys go. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, as it really does help support my channel. And again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I do my best to read and respond to every single one of you. I love you guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.